In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox to your calendar in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can be customized to fit a wide array of needs, and today we'll explore one of its useful features that'll help you manage tasks more efficiently within your calendar view. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to use a checkbox in your Notion calendar, streamlining your workflow and keeping your tasks in check. First things first. Let's get started from the Notion homepage. You'll want to log into your Notion account and open up the homepage where your various workspaces will be available. From here, choose the specific workspace where you'd like to add the checkbox. Workspaces in Notion are essentially areas where you can organize projects, notes, and other elements in one space, so make sure to choose the one that makes the most sense for your task management needs. Once you've selected your desired workspace, the next step is to bring up the database options. Begin by typing /database in the command bar, a feature that allows you to quickly access different template options for creating databases within Notion. The database options will appear, and you should then select Database Inline. Of course, this choice depends on your personal preferences and how you like to organize your information. For now, we'll go with Inline, which lets you insert a database directly onto your current page, maintaining a seamless flow with your existing content. Now that our database is set up, it's time to customize it to our liking. Start by giving your newly created table a title. This could be anything that reflects the essence of the tasks or assignments you want to track. Perhaps it's a weekly task list, a project timeline, or maybe a list of daily objectives. Naming helps keep things organized and clearly indicates the table's purpose for anyone who views it. Next, you'll want to add a new page by clicking New Page. Think of pages as another layer of organization within your workspace. In this case, your page can represent a set date or a category within your calendar. Go ahead and give this page a title that makes sense within the context of your calendar. Once the page is ready, click on Add Property. This step is crucial as it will allow you to add additional functionality to your table, such as associating dates with your tasks. Select Date to implement it into your table. This will allow you to set specific deadlines or appointment dates, making your task organization even more efficient. Finally, repeat the Add Property action, but this time select Checkbox. By adding checkboxes, you empower yourself with a tool to mark tasks as completed, helping to visually track your progress over any given period. Incorporating checkboxes in this way not only aids in task management, but can also serve as a motivational tool that provides a sense of satisfaction as you tick off completed tasks. And there you have it. Your Notion calendar can now include checkboxes alongside specific dates, making it easier to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Enjoy your organized, efficient new system and make the most of your productivity tools.